Thank you very much. I'm very happy to deliver this message to the steering committee of the GreenMetric. And even if we are living in incredible times, very peculiar for everyone, in particular for our university, I would like to share some incredible things we were doing with, and thanks to GreenMetric. Well, first of all, since the emergency, since a few months of lockdown, the University of Bologna went online with all our teaching, 60,000 students and 6,000 of courses. But we managed it, and now we are restarting again in presence since the 1st of September. We have a lot of students in our class and a lot of students at home. And thanks to GreenMetric, we are developing some action which are very suitable for the contingency, for the situation we are living now. And thanks, in July, after a lot of work, we signed an agreement at the University College of Cork, that I thanks for the collaboration. And we, already before the emergency, we started to think about some projects that we believe, especially now, are very fundamental for the future of our university. First of all, we are working together on a project created by the University of Cork, which has to do with the green space and well-being, how our students and how our co-workers live the green spaces and the open space inside our university. And I think that this is very, very fundamental now. Another one is to have to do with the carbon footprint, and we are working together to deliver action to decrease the carbon footprint, and also this is quite relevant in our university in Bologna for sure, and we are very happy to collaborate with Cork inside this agreement, which is framed by the GreenMetric action. And another one is that we are analyzing how our education is suitable to form our students toward the sustainable development goal. And we are doing a lot of work on this. And it will take time, but we are parameterizing, we are characterizing all our courses in respect to the Sustainable Development Goal. And this is another thing that we are doing together with course inside the GreenMetric collaboration. I'm very, very thankful to tell you about this. We started in July, we are continuing, and I'm sure that also this action will be very useful to overcome the difficult times we are facing now. Thank you very much.
Greetings to all our GreenMetric friends. I know some of you would have travelled to Cork in 2019, but for many, that seems like a lifetime ago now. My name is Pat Megan, and I speak to you today from the grounds of our university campus, which sits on the banks of the River Lee, which not only flows through our campus, but also heats and cools some of our buildings here. The COVID pandemic has brought and continues to bring great hardship and personal suffering to many of us around the globe, and our thoughts are with you, your families, your universities, and your communities at this time. Now, more than ever, our combined efforts to make our universities more sustainable in their teaching and operations to inspire the next generation of scientists, artists, engineers, and innovators to combat climate change is needed more than ever. Under the GreenMetric principles of openness, participation, collaboration, and mutual respect, our Deputy President, Professor John O'Halloran, signed an MOU with the University of Bologna this June. Through this MOU, the universities will work together in the areas of sustainability and civic engagement. Areas that we will work closely on include community engagement, energy efficiency, smart working, transport, single-use plastics, to name just a few. I know I speak for my colleagues when I say that we are really looking forward to sharing our experiences at Bologna, learning from each other through collaboration and openness, and sharing our findings with the GreenMetric community so that together we can build back better. Take care, and we'll see you all soon.
The National Institute for Statistics in Italy annually report on Sustainable Development Goals. There are some indicators that are good and some other that has to be improved. Quality of education. In this year, 13.5% of students abandon their course of studies. Clean water. For every citizen in Italy, it is available 237 liters of drinkable water. For affordable and clean energy, the Italian ratio of renewable energy is 17.8%. For responsible consumption, national recycling rate is 58%, which is better than the European target. Climate change. 7.3 is the Italian per capita CO2 value. And life on land. More than 30% of Italy is covered by forest, whose extension is continuously increasing, even though only 7.5% is certified. Land consumption continues to increase. Other activities of the Italian network. In March, set up of a OneDrive directory to share the evidences of GreenMetric among Italian universities. In May, a contribution to the forthcoming book on GreenMetric, 4 Italian universities contributed. In July, the signing of the agreement on sustainability and civic engagement among Unibo and UCC. In September, the MO is established and the to-do list is starting. In October, a dissertation thesis on GreenMetric with a first cycle student from the School of Engineering.